With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
The question is, in 3D series, the elements which exhibit highest and lowest melting point are. So for the 3D series, we actually have to know, we should know, and we should consider the curve that we obtain for the melting points, right? Because that is the only way to understand the concept very, very clearly, right? So if we draw the curve for melting points of the 3D elements, right? So it starts from, now we are starting it from titanium because we are going to tell the highest and the lowest only. So here we have titanium, right? Then somewhere here we have vanadium. Then chromium has the highest. Chromium has the highest melting point, okay? Then we have manganese, okay? Then we have iron. And then we have cobalt over here, somewhere over here, right? Then we have palladium. And then somewhere here we have nickel, right? Here we have palladium, here we have nickel. Then somewhere here we have copper, right? Somewhere here we have copper. So if we look at this curve, so we know that the highest melting point is exhibited by chromium. Now, for the reason you can attribute it as that it has a configuration of 3d5 4s1, right? It has a unpaired 5 unpaired electrons, and therefore it has highest melting point, or you can even include the s electron here, so that it has a maximum number of unpaired electrons, and it is very stable, and therefore it requires a large amount of energy. Therefore, it has a highest melting point. This is the reason that you can attribute it as. Otherwise, this can be understood with the help of a curve only. And if we talk about the one having the lowest melting point, if we talk about the lowest melting point, so actually zinc has the lowest melting point, right? Zinc has the lowest melting point. Why? Because if we talk about zinc, right? Zinc has no unpaired electron. It has a completely filled 3D orbital, right? It has a 3d10 4s2 outer configuration. It means that it has a completely filled d orbital, and unpaired electrons are responsible for the interatomic interactions. So as there are no unpaired electrons, there will be no interatomic interactions here, right? And therefore it is going to have the lowest melting point. Therefore the highest melting point is for chromium, whereas the lowest melting point belongs to zinc, right? That's why highest belongs to chromium, lowest belongs to zinc, and that's all for the question.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.